jodo, es enorme, ¿no? Es puto enorme. Mirar.
Ouch. Well, at least she puts her photographs out there.
Gracias por el interés a mostrar la galería. Lamentamos informarle de que su trabajo no coincide con lo que buscamos. Jódete. Mala suerte, la vida es puta. A lo mejor no estás hecha para la fotografía. ¡Cerda! Ropa. La verdad es que la ropa me la suda, pero bueno.
Dior, Givenchy. You could pay for my tuition with that wardrobe.
Su puta madre.
Those boots are made for walking runways.
Madre mía. Those boots are made for walking.
That is a tasty plasma. Maybe I could sneak in and watch Final Fantasy Spirits Within. I don't care what anybody says. That's one of the best sci-fi films ever made.
Pegatina. Pues la miro. Te miro y la miro.
Yes, I get it. Enter the Vortex Club. No. Okay, if I did wear expensive jewelry, I would wear this for
No sé,
sure.
los voy a jugar todos, Belgrum. Porque tenía muchas ganas de jugar al ¿cómo se llama? Al Colors. Y para eso
I'll
voy a
give
jugar los
Victoria
juegos en
props
directos.
for not posting my photo.
Vale, vamos a
And
ver.
for this nice shot.
Vale.
Boom! This is the email I need to show Juliet.
Vale, leer.
Now I have to print this fast and get the hell out of here.
Siento informarte que acabo de joder a Juliet y a Dana. Solo tuve que mencionarle a Juliet que vi un mensaje sexual explícito de Dana en el teléfono de Zack. La muy lerda se la ha tragado, así que supongo que en breve estallará la bomba de los dormitorios. Juliet se lo merece por tontear con Zack. En cuanto a Dana, ¿a quién le importa? Prepara las palomitas. Un poco cerda es. Vale, imprimir correo. Un botón de imprimir, chaval.
Victoria hates Rachel Amber this much?
Hostia, tío, qué
How
cerda, ¿no?
insecure.
Qué puta cerda, tío. Qué putita cerda. ¿Y este libro en concreto cuál es?
Victoria is a real Jefferson groupie.
Madre mía, ese es el profesor, ¿no? Es el puto profesor. Gaceta. Esto ya está, coger.
This better convince Juliet
Hombre, a
that
mí me
Dana is
gustaría, la
innocent.
verdad, me haría mucha ilusión, tío, jugarlo con vosotros. Sinceramente, creo que no se me olvida nada. Carta, esta es mi cara. Fotos. Desordenar. Podría ser una cerda, pero no lo voy a hacer.
Speaking of selfies,
Porque luego se entera de que alguien ha entrado en su habitación y yo paso de esa mierda, tío. Paso de esa puta mierda. Soy buena gente. Tía, tengo un papel para ti. Email.
Juliet, read this.
Hazlo, vuelve. No me jodas. No me jodas, ¿por qué? Bueno, da igual, no lo... Bueno, no pasa nada, Casselin. No pasa nada, tonta. Tonta tú. ¿Puedo?
I'm an
ahora?
asshole. I'm sorry, Dana.
¡Foto!
You are. And I hope so.
Hala, tío, no lo he hecho porque me
You
sabía
really
mal.
think I'd mess around with Zach?
Ah, pero
No.
puedo volver atrás en
But
el
I get
tiempo.
stupid jealous. I
Joder,
owe
soy
you
un
dinner.
normal.
Still love me?
And you do my laundry.
Thanks, Max. You're like the Blackwell Ninja. Now let's see what Zach has to say about
Pero ya
Victoria.
no puedo volver atrás,
You
¿no?
set me free. Thank you. Warren's flash drive is on my desk.
Vale, pero ¿puedo volver a esa habitación o no? A ver.
Almost done. Get the flash drive and then I'll go see
Ya no
Warren.
puedo entrar, ¿verdad? Sí, sí que puedo. Sí que puedo, loco. Vale. Vale, joder, no pasa nada. Pensaba que no. Y luego rebobino. Desordenar.
Let's play a little photo Tetris and leave Victoria
Claro,
a
es que-
message. Let's move this here. And this one there. A pattern is emerging.
Ah, qué bueno. ¿Y si hago eso, tío? Pero está feo, nano. No me siento cómoda haciendo eso. ¿Puedo rebobinar? Rebobino. Me sabe mal, tío. Bueno, odia a Rachel. Odia a Rachel, que se joda, vale.
Let's play a little photo Tetris and leave
Vale,
Victoria.
espacio,
Pattern
emitir,
is
tal, no sé qué, no sé
emerging.
cuándo. Tendrá consecuencias, me come el nabo. Hola. Joder, macho. A ver. A ver.
I can't even imagine what life would be like being a cheerleader.
Yo no sería animadora ni
Dramatic,
aunque
I
me
guess.
pagaran, loco. Memoria USB, portátil. Usar.
Of course, a popular cheerleader like Dana would have a million friends.
Hostia,
So
1083
fascinating
más.
to get a peek into Dana's
Suscriptores
social
más que
media
yo,
world.
loco.
And
De modo
yes,
difícil, no.
Max,
Para mí
so
esto es
terribly
difícil.
wrong.
Esto para mí es muy difícil. No me jodas, tío, tiene más subs que yo. Hay que pillarlo bien, vale. Memoria USB. Carta, mirar,
This is both sad and pathetic.
leer. Dana, esto no es lo mío, pero pensé que debía escribirte para que no me odies de por vida. Sé que me hago el machito cuando estoy con gente, pero de verdad contigo no fingí, no te merezco. Ya viste cómo me acordaba, acobardé. Si necesitas pasta, avísame. Un beso, Logan. ¿Qué coño es Logan? ¿Logan era el chico negro del principio? ¿Qué pone? The Vortex Club, vale. Hablar.
Hey, Dana.
Seriously, thanks again. I can't believe Juliet locked me in my own room. Real mature.
Victoria es lo peor.
Victoria is not nice. I don't get it. She has everything. And to pull that prank on a friend?
Just because they're in the Vortex Club doesn't mean they're BFFs. I'm in it, and Victoria creeps me out.
Ojo.
Max, you're smart to be a loner here. Though Warren obviously likes hanging with you.
¿Qué quieres decir?
What do you mean?
Oh, nothing. When you opened the flash drive, didn't you see the special folder called Max?
Yeah, okay. I gotcha.
Ojo.
Are you blushing? Go ahead and grab the flash drive whenever.
Me ha gustado esta chica. Esta chica me ha gustado. Me ha enamorado. ¿Eso qué es? Coger. ¡LOL!
Max, that's mine. Thank you. You're not helpful. You're just nosy. I think you better go.
No, rebobino. Rebobinísimo.
Nice, Max. You hurt her feelings by being so damn nosy again.
No, rebobinamos,
But I
que
could
está
rewind
preñada.
and make it up to her.
Vale. Mirar y ya está.
La la la, I don't see that pregnancy test.
La, yo tampoco lo veo.
Must
Yo no lo
protect
veo.
my precious so Max never has to chase it down again.
¿Qué dices, tía? Estás puto locana, ¿no?
I assume Dana kept the appointment.
Center Woman's Health Fertility. ¡Ojo! Ojito. Libre mates.
Good lord.
Hablo con
Dana
ella, pero ya he
really
hablado
was
con
on
ella,
her
tío.
own.
Vale, vuelvo a hablar con ella. How to be a great mama. Está preñadísima, tío. Está puto
Hey, Dana.
He oído un rumor sobre ti.
Dana,
Ojo.
I'm
Puedo
not
hacer
trying
esas
to be
cosas,
nosy,
pensaba
but
que no. Vale.
I heard a rumor about you.
What? Who told you I was pregnant?
Oh.
Nobody important. They just acted like it was bullshit. I just wanted you to know.
It's like a goddamn reality show around here. Can you keep a secret, Max?
Por supuesto.
Of course.
I was pregnant.
Oh.
Was.
Oh. What about the other?
Deadbeat dad? You can catch him on the 40-yard line this Friday. And it's not Zachary.
Es Logan. Nah, no es asunto mío.
Sorry to pry. It's not my business. And I won't be at the game Friday.
Sí.
Not much school spirit, I
Sí
guess.
que me gustaría.
I like your spirit, Max. Anyway,
Me
you better
gustaría
get that
adoptar.
flash drive so Warren has an excuse to bug
Siempre lo he
you.
dicho desde que era muy pequeñita. Vale, esto es así, ¿no? No me importa esperar aquí afuera eternamente. Me encanta este aparcamiento. Puedo contar todos los coches. En camino, chao.
Fuck this shit.
¡Oh! ¡Cerdo!
Damn, I
¿Eres
better
tonto?
rewind.
Vale. ¿Qué hago? ¿Me pongo en medio? No. Yo hablo contigo.
Get lost, hipster. I'm not doing any interviews.
Vale,
Fuck this shit.
¡Ay, coño!
That hurt.
Vale, le digo que se aparte. Le digo advertir.
Alyssa, move your head. If you insist, Max.
F.
Now that's what I'm talking
F.
about. I actually helped somebody.
¿Y ahora qué hago con esto? ¿Qué hago con la ventana? Ah, una foto. Le hago una foto. Rollo, fui yo, pero sin ser yo. Estupendo, me gusta. Me gusta lo que veo. Ya no lo platino, loco.
So don't think I'm blind. I see everything here at Blackwell. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, and leave me alone.
Hacer una foto. Yo creo que va a intervenir.
Hey, why don't you leave her alone?
Excuse us, this is official campus business.
Excuse me, you shouldn't be yelling at students or bullying them.
Hey, nobody is bullying anybody.
Sí que lo
I'm
estás
doing
haciendo,
my
cerdo.
job.
No, you're not.
Eres un cerdo.
You're part of the problem, Missy. I will remember this conversation.
Fuérate lo que te dé la gana, cerdo. Puto bully de mierda.
Oh, Max, that was great. I think you scared him for once. I have to go, but thank you. It means a lot.
A ver, si no lo
Anytime, Kate.
platino, tampoco me molesta, ¿sabes? Pero es un juego bastante sencillo de platinar
I
y va a
felt
ir al
like an
lío.
everyday hero helping Kate, but now Officer David Dickhead is after me.
Tú lo jugaste 2 veces para platinarlo y no has
Maybe
jugado
I
al 2.
should rewind and mind my own business?
Por ejemplo, podrías hacer eso para hacerte un favor. No has jugado al 2 que te compró tu novia. Es que eres gilipollas. Eres gilipollas. Pero gilipollas, con todas las letras, ¿eh? No me dejo ni una, chaval. No, es que es un juego muy guay, tío. ¡La puta ardilla, que se me ha olvidado! Ah, ya me imaginaba que ibas a hacer eso, cerdo. Ya me lo imaginaba. Vale.
I'm glad I stepped in that time. Can't stand to see people being bullied.
Vale.
I better go there soon to see if Joyce is still there.
La...
And get a burger.
Mirad.
Damn, somebody is seriously devoted to putting up these posters.
Ah, fue ese el que te regaló. Vale, 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 vale.
I wonder how long before
Turd.
Samuel has to repaint that.
I don't get it. How could Zach and Victoria do that to me?
Oh, F, tío. F, enano por
Hi,
Julieta.
Juliet. How are you doing?
Oh, hey, Max. Sorry, I'm still screwed up.
Siento lo de Zachary, tío.
Sorry you had to find out about Zachary
Un poco
that
F.
way. Or anyway.
Better sooner than later. Now that skank Victoria won't be laughing behind my back anymore.
Have you talked to Zach yet?
Mr. Badass Football Hero is such a chicken shit. He said he sexted Victoria as a joke. Ha ha. I
Qué
think
cabrón,
Warren
tío.
wants your attention.
He usually does. Hang in there, Juliet.
See you
Qué
around,
F,
Max.
tío. Qué F, sinceramente. Pobreta. The War?
Yo, Max, check it out.
Check it out. Te lo puto
Max,
juego.
get your ass over here.
Get your ass over here. Es normal.
What up, Max? How are you?
Here's your flash. Thanks.
No problem. Check out my new wheels.
Cool. Very old school.
1978 to be exact. Now we can go to the drive-in. There's one in Newburgh just 60 miles away.
Pobre,
You're in
chaval.
the wrong time, Warren.
Soy voy yo. Lo
But then,
siento.
so am I.
You okay?
It's been one strange fucking day.
Soy voy yo. Justo
I
la
bet.
friendzone. Donde yo
I
te
heard
quiero.
Victoria got a face full
¿Dónde
of
estáis
paint.
toditos, chavales?
I'd pay money to see a photo of that.
Venga, va, ¿en serio?
Really? I wish I would have known.
You probably could have raised a Kickstarter fund just for that one image of her covered in paint.
Had I known that. Anyway, Victoria took down my photo, so that drama ended well.
By the way, I saw Daniel's sketch of you online. Not bad, but I could do a much better job.
Ah, sí.
You can draw? I thought you were blinded by science, not art.
Art is science. Music is math, etc., etc. I'd put Stephen Hawking against Picasso any day.
Hardcore.
Ojo.
So you must use a
Tiene
computer
coco
to
el
draw.
chaval.
Of course.
Pobracho,
I'd love to tweak one of your selfies with some cool graphics.
Sí, estoy muy
That
callado,
might
lo
not
siento,
suck. I'll let you know.
So, did you get a chance to check out the movie booty on my flash drive?
¿Lo hemos visto realmente? Chavales, ¿lo hemos visto? ¿No, verdad? Sí, gracias. He tenido lío.
No, I've been way too busy with class and life.
Damn, girl, you had it like a year.
Or a week. I did browse through all the titles, drama queen.
Ha ha. Make sure you watch Cannibal Holocaust.
Vale, lo veremos. Venga, va, la vi.
Seen it. I was more disturbed by all those emo vampire movies in there.
Can a sensitive high school boy love sensitive vampires too?
So you're sensitive.
Hablará de
Ouch, that
Crepúsculo,
sounds
¿no?
awful the way you say it.
Faster, Pussycat, Kill Kill.
No, I was impressed you had Faster Pussycat Kill Kill.
Russ Meyer was a genius of black and white. Plus, babes with breasts.
Claro
You
que sí,
beat
hombre.
your sensitive ass down.
Claro que sí, hombre.
If I was lucky. Speaking of hip and fast, we should cruise out in my
Claro,
car
que
to an
pose de chulo
action
lleva,
movie this
¿sabes?
week. But you seem distracted.
Necesito hablar, va.
I need to talk to somebody. Just to get it out of my system.
Dr. Warren Graham is in the house. I won't even prescribe you any meds. Tell me everything.
Está todo pillado, nano,
For reals, Warren, this is between you and me, not social media.
Don't insult me. Max, go on.
I had this incredibly bizarro experience in Mr. Jefferson's class today. I mean, life-changing.
Ah,
Have you ever had a dream so real it was like a movie?
Max Caulfield, right? You're one of the Jefferson's photo groupies?
I'm one of his students.
What the fuck ever? I know you like to take pictures,
¿Qué dices?
especially when you're hiding out in the bathrooms.
¿cómo?
You best tell me what you saw. Now. Answer me, bitch.
What are you talking about?
I know you're new here, but don't even play stupid with me.
Ojo, que nos ha
I'm
pillado,
not new. I've lived here for years.
Then you should know the Prescotts own this shithole.
Then you don't have to worry about me. Worry about yourself.
Eso, eso.
Do not analyze me.
Ojo, está
I pay
enfadado. Se
people
está
for
enfadando,
that.
se está enfadando. Se está
Worry about
enfadando.
yourself, Max Caulfield.
Se enfada. Atrás.
Take a step back, Nathan Prescott.
Oh man,
Chula,
you're
chula.
telling
Me
me
vas-
what
déjame
to
ver,
do?
chula.
Get away from her, dude!
¡Oh!
Hey, leave him alone.
Nobody tells me what to do.
Ojo.
Not my parents, not the principal, or that whore in the bathroom.
¡Ay, ay, ay! ¡Jódete, jódete!
Max? Chloe?
No way. You again.
Go! Go! I got this!
¡Oh, no, pobrecito! ¡Oh!
Get your punk asses out of there now! Don't even try to run. Nobody. Nobody.
¡Pobre H, tío!